The theme of this Congress, Science for Shaping the Future of India, reflects the dream of every generation of Indian scientists. Faster growth over the next few decades, more sustainable development based on food and energy security, and socio-economic inclusion made possible by rapid growth of basic social services such as education and health, are all crucial for defining India's future. Science, technology, and innovation all have an important role to play in achieving these objectives. Science and technology development have been central to the phenomenal material advancement and efficiency in the use of resources seen in the last 100 years. The pace of change has only accelerated in the last few decades as globalization and new technology have enhanced people's access to knowledge and their ability to leverage it through collaboration. India has benefited from this epochal transformation by embracing these trends. Since technological changes typically emanate from established structures, they may at times reinforce them and inhibit the advancement of equity and equality. As India seeks a sustained growth of its national income, we must endeavor to harness the tools of science to cater to the needs of the underprivileged and to bridge the gap between the haves and the have-nots. Nearly 65% of our people live in rural areas. The increase in their living standards depends greatly on the growth of agricultural production and productivity. The 12th five-year plan assumes that a sustained growth of our agriculture at the rate of 4% per annum is essential for the achievement of food security for our country. This growth is constrained by shortages of water and also of land. We need new breakthroughs in water-saving technologies of cultivation, enhancement of land productivity, and development of climate-resilient varieties. This transformation of agriculture must be the top priority concern of our public policies, including science and technology policies. In keeping with the theme of this Congress, the question naturally arises as to what we should do to build our future through science. I would like to share a few ideas. First, we must, as a society, enhance the spread of what Jawaharlal Nehru used to describe as the scientific temper. our younger generations must adopt a science-based value system in order to benefit from what science can offer and to make up for lost time. Complex issues, be they genetically modified food or nuclear energy or exploration of outer space, cannot be settled by faith, emotion and fear, but by structured debate, analysis and enlightenment. A scientific approach and understanding of these issues are therefore as vital as our core scientific capabilities.
If you have liked the video, hit the like button and consider subscribing.